Good afternoon, Mr. Tolliver. Thank you so much for inviting me to give you this overview of your company. I have obtained information from this year, January 15th to currently. As your new Human Resource Director, my job is to make sure your company establishes a safe environment for your workers. Also, my job is to recruit qualified candidates and offer competitive compensation to workers. This presentation will showcase data and vital information that will measure where we are currently and where we can improve. I will even suggest and explain what metrics and analytical methods I plan to implement to help make sure our company can improve for the better. Currently, I'm going to go over our year to date, basically an overview of where we can improve. I'm going to first start off with the applicant tracker system. I'm going to then discuss absenteeism. I'm going to also talk about workforce flexibility programs. And I'm going to explain a utility model called Crippet. That is an amazing model I would like to implement here. Currently, right now, we are utilizing Excel. I would like to go ahead and upgrade to what is called an applicant tracker system that would help us move a little faster and get ready to get more applicants in the system. A study carried out by Deloitte found that organizations that use people analytics to support business decisions see an 82% higher 3-year average profit than their low maturity counterparts. Research also shows that companies that invest in analytics are paid an average of $13.01 for every dollar spent. Currently, right now, our focus is to cut down on wasted time, save money, and hire individuals with the right skills. So right now, our average time of hire is 30 days. By implementing an applicant tracker system, we can actually change 30 days to 10 days. So we are saving time, we are saving money with this particular program. Now we're going to look at a quick overview of our absenteeism. Um, Basically, this is a chart where we basically look at all the employees and all the days missed. So the average of this year, total employee hours lost due to absenteeism for the period was 6,240 hours. With that particular average, we average about 3 people calling in every day. We only have 50 employees. So with 3 people calling in every day, that adds up. So I'm only going to review some of the top problems that we are having. So right now, our total estimated cost of absenteeism is roughly 427,000. So we could actually work on that and implement different programs that can help individual come to work a little more or see where we can help them a little bit by them coming every day. Currently, right now, this is a pie chart of what I just reviewed. In the red is going to have our supervisor salaries, which is 49%. We're going to have our reduced productivity because of absenteeism, which is 47%. That takes up a lot of our revenue. And also we have employee compensation, which is 3%, and we have substitute employees, which are 2%. So when our employees don't come in, we may contract outsiders to come in, and that is taking up a lot of our costs as well. Along with the absenteeism, I would like to implement a workforce flexible program, flex time, where the employee can work at home, possibly 1 to 2 days out the week, and do their work at home. If we implement something like that, we can potentially save up to 138,000 by implementing a program, just by letting our individuals, our employees stay home and do work from home. So I will definitely think this would be a great program to implement. The chart shown is our CRIPIT model. The CRIPIT model is a performance-based model that shows the improvement of an employee. Say, for instance, we record the principal activity 1, 2, 3, and 4. It shows the time and the frequency, and it shows the importance of this task. And then the manager will rate that employee. So if you look at the annual salary, it's $62,000 for a software engineer at our company. We're going to gather that, and we actually going to review the performance rating and add all this up, and we come up with the performance economic value of $98,160.10. This is how we rate our employee. What this tells me is that this employee is ready to move up in the company. He is actually working more than what we are actually giving him, and he is a good employee for the company. Therefore, Mr. Tolliver, you may ask, how did I get all this information? How did I get the pie chart? How did I add everything up? I got all this information from a book called Investing in People. This particular book is used by major human resource professionals, which gather information such as employee separations, absenteeism, health and welfare, attitudes and engagement, workforce flexibility programs, staffing utility, payoffs from improved selection, and payoffs from training and development. This is a guide that would help us move forward while we are trying to save money, while we are trying to improve the company. So therefore, I wanted to share this information with you as well. In conclusion, by implementing an applicant tracker system, we can ultimately save time and money. With absenteeism is a big concern. Therefore, by implementing a workforce flexibility program, we can build morale with employees and save money. This is a win-win deal. We can also use the CRIPIT model, which would help our company rate top quality performers in the company that we can advance also within the company. And lastly, based off absenteeism and workforce flexible programs alone, our company can see an instant savings of $138,084. Thank you, Mr. Tolliver, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.